Welcome back to another video. Today we have DeWalt clearance deals and just tools on sale. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, we're running a series of videos. If you guys haven't checked out my previous videos from Craftsman, Bosch, Metabo, make sure you guys check them out. I'll see if I can link them up above for you guys. I did go to two different stores. This is the first store I went to. This is what I saw. This is the Extreme. It's basically $99, as you guys see there. If you guys don't know, some of the stores don't have that up, the $99, and you get a free 5 amp hour battery. But this other store did have it. This is the second store that I went to. That's just a short video from the first store. Here we got the circular saw for $179. And then you have that Extreme, I believe, impact driver for $99. The impact driver kit, they had it there, just a sticker, but they had another section that they maybe moved it. That's the light for $179, and that's the impact driver for $139. That's the hammer drill kit. And then they had this on sale for $99. Definitely check it out. If you have it at your Lowe's, I did end up picking one of those up. It does 2-inch bits there for the impact driver rated. So they are rated for impact. Those are the 1-inch bits on the top, and it does include a sleeve, or a bit holder basically, right there to the right. So for $4.99, I think that's a great deal. Even the case is just good for that, But they had a whole bunch of bits by themselves on clearance. Not necessarily these, but they had a whole bunch of section, which I didn't to get the footage. But they had a whole bunch of clearance. $19.98 for this 21-piece black oxide. We've seen it cheaper before. I believe we've seen it for $14 or $10. I can't remember exactly for the holidays. $129 impact driver or drill driver. They do include 2 batteries. So by themselves, separate, it was $159. These are middle grade. They're still brushless tools. These are still great tools for the DIY prosumer level. You got the Extreme there for $99. Yeah, very similar to the other store. They had all the 12-volt section there. So you guys see, that's where you have the buy one get one free. See, not all stores have this. You have to look for the store that has the 5 amp hour battery. There's a lot of you complaining down there, or telling me that you can't find the battery, or you can't find the deal. Well, you know what? In this one, look, they have the section already in the store, but they have no batteries, guys. That's how crazy. Maybe they just had a few and they just sold out. But look how bad. I think these are selling out like quick because they are cheap. You're getting basically a $100 tool and a free battery. You're getting it for half the price basically. So I think they're selling out quick. That's what's happening. They're just selling out really quick. So you guys see, that's the stand right there. This is another deal that they had. $249 for the 3-tool combo kit with the oscillating tool. That's a good deal. They had a $129 impact driver with 2 batteries, the same deal as that we saw before. And they had this deal, 40 piece. That's the new flex torque for $29.98. It does include some magnetic driver, some nut drivers, and some socket holders. And they got the hammer drill for $129. If you need a hammer drill, if you have a block house, you probably need something like this to drill small holes and just, And they had some attachments here, $59.40 from $99. They got the large drill dust accessory. So make sure you guys check this out and look at it. If you have these tools, you got a rotary hammer, got a dust extractor telescope with the hose, $79.20. And then you got a large hammer extraction hole cleaning, $79.20. And then basically you get that tool and you put it on the tip of the tool, and all the dust and stuff that comes out, you can suck it in with the vacuum. That's the telescope and drill accessory with the hose, $59.40. So they got different prices. You got to find the best price and basically price match it, or take a picture of it and take it to your cashier. So you guys could take this video. If you guys see this cheaper here at the store, make sure you guys take this video to them. $32.10, the 2 amp hour battery. It's on clearance. Somehow they're cleansing out the 2 amp hours, but Maybe because they're putting in the 5 amp hours. I don't know what they're doing. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.